Hello, today at Model Corner we'll be looking at a motorcycle today, and this being the Maisto Kawasaki Ninja ZX-12R in 1/18th scale. As you can see, this comes packaged in a pretty simple but nice presentation box which has Maisto Special Edition written on it, and you can clearly see the bike here. See some very nice details from inside the box. Turn it around, you can see the other side. So if you never wanted to take it out of the box, you don't have to, and you can still see all the lovely details of this bike. We are going to have open the box and have a look at the model inside. Just open the box. And here we have it. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-12R on a nice little plastic display stand. Also a little plant that its name, of course, the company that makes it, and the name Kawasaki Ninja ZX-12R. And as you can see underneath, it actually can be removed from the stand with one simple screw, which I will be doing now, and I will cut back to when it is off its stand. And here it is off its stand. All it takes is a screwdriver to remove the one screw holding the bike to its stand. So now let's look at the bike itself. As you can see, it's very nicely made. As you can see, tons of details. You can see things like the exhaust here. We've got nice rubber wheels, which of course they both move, but steering that actually, as you see, turn the handlebars, it does steer. See, look, very nice windshield, the headlights, just very nice, tons of detail on this. Just turn it around again. You can see here all the little dials, of course, got the fuel hatch. I've got Kawasaki written on it and Ninja here, and then ZX-12R. So across the bike you'll have the name of the bike written on it. And I've got a very nice, cool green livery or design on this bike. You can see like looking like a green flame effect on it, so it's very cool. Again, from the back, you can see the exhaust. That's where the registration is. We've got a little thing that says Maisto. Got a red light. As you can see, it does just, you want to roll around as if it was like a toy or so. And it also has a little stand here, which you can place. The bike will stand on its stand. Of course, you can move the stand thing slightly to angle it how you want it. So really low down or more upright. Overall, it's a very nice model bike with tons of details. And it's very nicely made with plastic and metal parts across this model. Now, it has a length of about 12.5 centimeters. It's a width of about 3.5, and it's a height of about 6.5 centimeters. Again, it comes packaged on a nice display stand in a display box, and this is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.